We're getting started with 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Right on top of that, you're gonna pour 4 cups of your favorite shredded cheese right in there. I'm going with some extra sharp cheddar. All right, yes, moving right along. How about a nice cold beer? No, not to drink, to put in this delicious beer cheese that we are making here today. You're gonna wanna add a cup of lager. Now, of course, you can play around with this and choose what it is that you like. The different types of beers will definitely create a different flavor. I'm gonna go with a full body lager like Foster's. And just so you guys know, whenever you're pouring beer, just tilt the glass and then you'll get less foam, or what they call it in the bar world is head, less head on the beer. Huh, maybe you learned something new today. All right, on top of that, grab yourself some mustard. This is also an area that can be easily switched up. Now, I'm just gonna go with some regular yellow mustard. You could use a Dijon mustard, a spicy mustard. I don't even know, maybe a sweeter one, maybe a honey mustard. Either way, you wanna add, I don't know, I'm gonna go a couple tablespoons of mustard right on top of that cheese. That looks good right there. Okay. Now, of course, we want to add some delicious garlic to this, so sprinkle that on about, I don't know, a teaspoon or so. If you really like garlic, of course, put more in. If not, well, just stick with a teaspoon. We've got some smoked paprika now to go so well with this, and I really love these flavors together. Now, if you wanted to do some chili flakes instead of the smoked paprika, or maybe even in addition to, you could totally do that. But once again, probably about, I don't know, a teaspoon of paprika right in there. It's not too serious, but you know, you're better off adding more than taking it away. Then we're gonna put our lid on, bam, just like that, and you pop your crock pot on high for an hour. Now, every, I'd say 20 minutes or so, open that lid, give it a little quick stir to melt the cheese together along with the cream cheese, and stick around because this is going to be, well, something you're gonna make, I guarantee, in the near future. All right, beer cheese, let's go. What a wonderful thing to make for the Super Bowl, a get together, or just for yourself. That looks phenomenal. Okay, so you can tell that we've stirred it up throughout the process. It looks smooth and creamy, and we're gonna top it with some green onion. Yes, this can be optional, but I really think that the green onion in with this cheese dip just gives a little bit more flavor, along with adding some beautiful color. Now, if you wanted to transfer this cheese dip into a different container to serve, be my guest. But I think that if you could set it up somewhere where the crock pot could stay on, or maybe you even have a fondue pot that you want to do this in, those are great ideas too. So yes, I'm just going to add a little bit more green onion. You guys know that I absolutely love myself some green onion. All right, now we're gonna come in here and just see how creamy this is. Now look at that beer cheese right there. It is so creamy. This looks so delicious. Look at the way that it just starts to drip right off the spoon. Now, I do like it on the thicker side on purpose. Traditionally, I do feel like this is how beer cheese is served. However, if you want to make it less thick, you can always add more beer, right? So now I have these soft pretzel bites. Ooh, these are mine of choice. And I don't know, when did the King's Hawaiian come out with these? I'm gonna give them a try right here today because I love pretzels with my beer cheese. So I'm gonna come right in here and douse myself a nice big humpful of, look at that. Oh yeah, it's really hot, I can tell, but I'm going in for it. Yeah, immediately, I need another one. I just douse this right in here, you guys. Look at that, green onions and this cheese. How could you possibly go wrong? Winner, winner. You know, last week we made pretzels. We talked about what are we gonna dip with our pretzels. I would say that the #1 response was mustard and beer cheese. Of course I love mustard, but I love beer cheese even better. I hope you guys love this easy recipe that we whipped up today. What did we use? We have 16 ounces of cream cheese, 4 cups of cheddar cheese. Then we threw in about a cup of your favorite lager, or maybe you're gonna change that part up, I don't know. We threw in some garlic and a little bit of paprika, cooked it on high for an hour, stirring occasionally, chopped up some green onion on top, and look at that. Easy peasy. I hope you guys love this recipe. Let me know, of course, if there is anything that you're gonna change up. Thank you for being a part of this space. Share it, like it, tell a friend. We'll see you later. Enjoy.